Okay, there's this comment that I got from my video. Okay, someone made a comment, as you can see here, and this person had been making comment on my video, of course, negative one. This guy called Looking Forwards 310. So he made this comment after the video that I made, where we talked about what not that we talked, I just shared the video actually from COS about PM, communicating with Biafran through COS. And that video, some people, Biafrans were happy. Everybody's happy, apart from those who are bent with Nkere, push me a group. They are here, okay, making comments on this the other video, and one of them is looking forward. There are a lot of video comments from Push Me a Group. Push Me a Group, they gathered here always to commit nuisance. But I singled this comment out. Why? Because this guy represents all the negative comments. He's trying to make sense when there's no common sense. I want to share this with you. He trying to tease himself, thinking that he's mocking COS, trying to act as if he knows everything, but he knows nothing. As you can see here, he said, "Congratulations to you, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, on your recognition as Deputy PM by Nigerian authorities. It is indeed an honor that those who appeal courts affirmed terrorist designation of IPOB are the first independent country to recognize you, despite their ever readiness to crack down on those you purportedly lead. You have indeed become a nation now. Please, there is need to host a gorgeous celebration at your FCT. All your newly appointed governors should throw a carnival in the 40 states of Biafra. All secondary schools must hold a parade in their respective state capital for 3 days. All charges by Nigerian against Simon Ekpa have been withdrawn immediately, and Simon Ekpa is now free. Mrs. Bianca Ojukwu is waiting to welcome you at Anambra Airport. The Nigerian soldiers and other forces have withdrawn from USB. The Southeast governors have also recognized your appointed governors and are ready to hand over relevant files, etc. Congratulations once again." To this guy now, he's mocking students, right? To him, like, if you ask him now, "Oh, these people think they are smart. Why we are smarting them?" First thing first, he made mention of, independent. That you are not independent, you can now celebrate and throw parade and what have you, and everything, go to your FCT and host parade and carnival and whatever. This is mentality of people who are following Nkere. After saying that Nigeria is not independent, that they are still under control of Britain, he's here telling you that, Nigeria is now the first independent nation to recognize you. Not as Deputy PM, not as Biafran as a country. What is the offense of PM, COS, that this guy is trying to mock? COS said that Biafrans are happy, that she is happy, that Nigerian newspaper media have carried the news, the alarm, the warning being sent to Nigerian forces to withdraw in Biafra. That companies in Nigeria should remain in Nigeria without bringing the companies to Biafra land in name of sucking and draining oil. This is the warning from COS and Biafran government USB. But this guy, to him, it shouldn't be like that. That why must you say that because you are not independent, you're not a free country yet? Just like mocking everything, the same thing that the US have been doing on PM. When PM said that Biafran, that he's giving state of nation, They mocked him, including even Wazirike said that you are state of the nation for what? You should come down to Nigeria and do it here. I am here. You forgot that you are here. With that, you have collected money and have contract signed with government. The person you are calling to come here have no contract with them. Now, this guy, the comment, everything he said here, to him now he's addressing COS. But do you understand what he's trying to do? To tell you that even the so-called Biafra they themselves believe on, because they don't believe in anything. The so-called independence of freedom, I'm a freedom fighter, is just only, and that thing is just only on their lips without any action. He said, recognizing you despite their ever ready to crack down on those purported you know the kind of people that is leading, that CS is leading, those were purported lead. And you don't, the purported you're talking about is a kind of that you don't accept her leadership, because she have her own people that she's leading. But every comment, every state of nation, every press briefing that she has engaged on, you will venture into that. You want to listen and know what she said. Are you listening as a citizen or as a saboteur? Everything that Biafrans are saying or said is in line with how other people have gotten their independence. You cannot wait until your name is being recognized and being declared before you start making a move. In fact, your move and your activities is actually what will give you that the free nation that you are talking about. Without making such move, you can have it. But some of you don't understand that some of these people know how to speak English, but when they don't understand what they are saying, like I said, the only thing that CS said here that made this guy to bring this right up in name of mocking her is Nigerian news papers that carry Nigerian newspaper that, and maybe some of the TV station and what have you, that have reported that news. When the PM rather was giving state of nation broadcast, DOS, Nigerian news also carry some most of his warning and his news and his stand on issues about Biafran, about our people. They carry the news to the extent that even Nigerian what they call them, communication, couldn't do much. They stopped sanctioning the medias that carry the news about Biafra, because persistence is the key. Biafran keep on pushing. Then DOS on the other side was mocking him, mocking PM. That the reason why they carried his news is because he's their agent. You think that people don't understand, and the annoying part is that they know that he's not agent too. They understand what the truth and everything, but for them to deceive the gullible, and after deceiving you, lying to you, you still go back to associate yourself with that kind of people. Simply means that you are what they think, what they say that you are. Now she said, this guy said, Miss Bianca Ojukwu is waiting for you, is waiting to welcome you in Anambra Airport. Mocking CS because CS is an American, right? Mocking her again. What did she said that warrant that? She not even said that thank you Nigerian for recognizing Biafra. But they can go at any length to lay hands on anything just to blackmail. One may read this and I think that CS is celebrating that Nigerian somehow recognize Biafran as a nation. That is just that she said, she talked about Nigerian media, and this guy is replying as if she talked about Nigerian government. Maybe that CS lied, that Nigerian government have actually accept that Biafran is independent nation and they are planning on how to live. Maybe let's assume that she lied about it, but she don't even talk about Nigerian as a country to accept or to approve to agree on Biafran cause. Only that Nigerian news that carried that she appreciates, that she is happy that Nigerian news are aware of this warning, meaning that companies and people, Nigerian government, they wouldn't have any evidence that warning was not get to them, that they're not aware, because Biafran government have that documented already. They have that documented because in case of anything tomorrow, and Nigerian government said that maybe the lessons that country that actually mean good for want peace, maybe run to our aid to separate fight between Biafran and Nigeria. The question is, okay, why do you stop Shell from operating in Biafran land? That's an act of terrorism. Biafrans will say, no, we want them. We told them to pack to leave our land. This is our land. We send a memo to them. They may pretend, oh, we do not see it. Biafran will not say, okay, how can you say you do not see it? But your national news carry this is as in their headline, so date. That is what it means. But when you read this guy's write up, the English and everything, you think that he's a very, very intelligent human being, that whatever that comes from his mouth is, is on point. But common thing to understand simple thing is a problem. He couldn't pick why I'm saying there, because it is always like that. This is not the first person. So many of them are like that. So many of them. You can see they're not trying to, talk down on PCOS, that or Fulani, go and call your army. You said you are in charge of everything. Something they themselves have said that they are in charge. They are not twisting it as if CS is the one that said that. Please like this video. I want you to click on the like button and tell me what you think about this. I just want to make it just a quick response or reaction to comment like this. Why I picked this one, because I've seen so many comments and so many videos about people trying to, oh, she said that she's not, the Nigerian government are with her, they are carrying her the news, they don't carry APM is, remember, your APM was the one forcing, because what this guy is actually trying, what he trying to achieve here, let me say it before I end this video. But before then, please like the video. Like I said, click on the like button and subscribe if you're new. Let me go to the beginning of this message. As you can see here, congratulations to you, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze, on your recognition as Deputy Prime Minister by Nigerian authorities. That was not the issue. The point that CS made is, she based her point on the real information. The one is sent to, foreign companies operating in Biafran land to be aware of what is to come. That this is no longer business as usual. Sit up and pay tax. This is our land. We are in charge of our land. And they carried the news, and that news they carried, which is very good, will serve as an evidence in case of incasity. But this guy is here trying to twist it as if CUS is celebrating something that doesn't want to celebrate. Okay, if you actually have that kind of mentality that he doesn't want to celebrate, are you not the one supporting someone who was forcing himself to, for his voice to be heard on mic of Arise? Arise was trying to take mic away from him. He was struggling and begging for mic. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, you want me to eat your capo guafa? Oh, Nkere, during the Trump's inauguration, few days ago, he was go and watch the video again. See how shameful the whole thing he displayed there, into the public, to everyone, which I criticized. I said that is an insult to every Biafran. I'm not like you. I have to be honest. So my people, tell me what you think about this. I know most of you are not. I'm talking about Nkere people. I'm not making this video for you to change. I know you change is far away from you. You are head bent in talking nonsense. I have told this very guy, looking forward to come on my program so that we can have program together. You don't need to show your face, because I know most of you don't want to show your face. Just off your video, talk. Let us hear you. And you don't want. That's to tell you that the person behind the account could be one of those you are seeing that call themselves three wise men, trying to, pollute the comment section in name of making comments. If you don't want to reason, how is that our fault? Anyway, thank you for your time, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.